Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how to actually create a Android virtual device, basically a virtual Android phone on your laptop or desktop. Okay, first of all, you need to actually go and install Android Studio. So Android Studio. Let me show you where is Android Studio. Just look for Android Studio. Okay. Go in here and install this new latest version, Android Studio Electric Eel. Okay. Just say yes and then download. Okay, download. Okay. For simplicity, I have actually downloaded the software. Okay. I have to actually download the software and I'm going to run the software now. Okay. So this is the software, Android Studio. Okay, this is the version Android Studio Electric Eel, its new version of Android Studio. Okay. The navigation is actually slightly different from the old version, but not to worry. I will guide you in how to create a new Android. It's actually quite simple. At your right hand side, this panel over here, there's this create device. Over here, I've actually created one example. It's for do it for you, show you how I did it. Click on this create device. And then over here, you can choose the categories, the phone type you want, the various phone types, based on the size, the inch, the resolution that you want. Okay. So for pixel access, that, or a tablet, web OS, desktop, things like that. So for today, I'll be doing Pixel 4. Then just click next. And then choose the system image. To download, you need the system image software to download to run the phone. Okay, I've actually downloaded the Android 11. You can choose whichever version, older version or new version Android 13. Okay, for me, I already download to save time. So once you download, basically like this, there's an arrow sign. You just click on the arrow sign to download the software. So I'm ready to download, and once I download finish, it will come up this button next. Just click on next, and then choose your name. I will just put here, yeah, Pixel 4 Android phone. Then choose the resolution, portrait or landscape, and then click finish. Okay, my Android phone is actually set up. I can just click on run. Okay, launch this by clicking this arrow button, launch. Okay, launch. Then I'm going to show you the launch. Video. Okay, the emulator. It will take some time to actually load the phone. Okay, the emulator. So be patient to let it run. The virtual Android emulator phone. So now it's up. It's actually running now. It's showing the phone device. It looks cool, right? And then now you got your own Android phone in your laptop. You can run in Windows. Okay, and you can install apps in your phone, in your laptop. this Android phone in your laptop. It's loading. And I said it will take some time to load. Meanwhile, I'd like to suggest that you like my videos and you like to keep updated of new videos from my channel, Janice on channel. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and share with others my videos. And do look at my past videos and also look out for my new videos. Subscribe, like and subscribe, like and subscribe my channel. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay. So now Pixel is starting, it's loading. Okay, it's loading. So today is February 4th. Okay, and I got my home. Yeah. Okay, now it's up. Good. And then you can see there's a Google Chrome and then there's a Play Store. So I can just surf the internet. And I have all my functions that I have for Android phone. You can surf YouTube, you can install apps, you can access file, you can read emails and all this. Very useful. Okay, you can actually do all your settings here. Okay, you can access files, your Android phone files. Okay, now it's pretty new, so I don't have any download. Okay, basically you can look at all this beside your Android phone on your laptop. Isn't it cool? Okay, then you can have your Play Store. You need to log in because it's new phone. I actually need to enter my details. I will show you. So you basically need to sign in. Okay, then you can go to Chrome, surf the internet. Okay, it's taking a while to load. Okay, there you go. So I will send and then I'll just accept and continue. No thanks. Not going to sync. Yes. Wait. Okay, there you go. I can actually surf the internet. Okay. Yeah. Go to the CNN News website. Can you see? Survey and then internet. It's working fine. Good. So there you go. Now you got an Android phone in your laptop, a virtual Android phone. I hope you like this video. I find, yeah, I'm sure you find it useful. So like and subscribe to my channel. Okay. To be updated of my future videos. Thanks for watching and do share my video with others. Thanks for watching and goodbye.